Myself, Dr. Usha Vyas. Today my topic is Twelfth Night by William Shakespeare. Here I have taken up some short question answers. The first question is, who is the most foolish character in Twelfth Night? Answer: Sir Andrew Aguecheek is a comic character in William Shakespeare's play Twelfth Night, or What You Will. One of the supporting characters, Sir Andrew, is a stereotypical fool who is goaded into unwisely dueling with Cesario and who is slowly having his money pilfered by Sir Toby Belch. Next question. Make a comparative study of Viola and Olivia. In this play, both Viola and Olivia are extremely beautiful and intelligent women. At the beginning of the play, both were very sad because Olivia had lost her father and brother, and Viola was separated from her brother because of shipwreck. Even after all this, Viola regained her confidence. Viola was a very intelligent woman. She knew it would be safe for men to disguise herself in this unknown land. Olivia, on the other hand, was a beautiful young woman who had her weaknesses toward the handsome Cesario. But from the beginning of the play, she rejects Duke Orsino's love. She was indifferent about his dignity and self-esteem. In a hurry, she made an important decision in her own life because when she married Sebastian, she called the priest very quickly. But Viola was committed to her own decisions. She proved herself to be Duke's suitable wife. Now the next question, how was the confusion of mistaken identity overcome? In the very last of the play, it is seen that Sebastian, not Viola, is in a fight with Olivia's rejected boyfriend, and Olivia came out of her house to stop this fight. Olivia also mistakenly honored Sebastian as Cesario. Sebastian was a little surprised and happy. Olivia proposed to him and Sebastian agreed. After a few days after the wedding, Sebastian left the house to look for Antonio. Meanwhile, Duke Orsino and Viola appeared in the royal court. Law enforcers brought on Antonio before Duke. Antonio thought Viola was Sebastian and threatened to kill him for his ungratefulness. Viola says if her lord wants, she is not afraid of death either. But Olivia declares it publicly to save her husband. Viola protested in vain. Just then another Cesario appeared and he claimed Olivia as his own wife. The twins Viola and Sebastian appeared in the present court, who look almost same, have the same voice and temperament. Viola then publicly revealed that she is a woman in male disguise. Finally, the priest married Orsino and Viola. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.